watching Monsoon with Manogya. In this special episode, we have traversed from Karnataka to Goa, a place that has its own fragrance. And of course, the smell that keeps lingering for years together in case you visited it once in life. And monsoon is a season that brings it with immense pleasure. Even if the day is bright, the nights are brighter, and we will show you what special is happening this monsoon in Goa.
India Today has brought out the best of the monsoon season from Kerala to Karnataka. And now we tell you about monsoon in the state of Goa. The state best known for its beaches and parties gets an added flavor during monsoon. And football, music and the delicacies add to the ever-prevalent carnival atmosphere in the state. Monsoon in Goa means sudden bursts of torrential downpours. And these sudden bursts are followed by bright sunshine, which lights up the countryside in brilliant colours.
We enjoy here just staying a little bit on the beach, and also rain is warm rain, so it does not matter so much. No?
I think this is beautiful here because it's quite another way to make vacations. I think so. No? That is middle with raining. We tried every moment to go outside, sometimes with umbrella.
Well, I really enjoy the freshness of the rain, the cleanliness, the coolness, the greenness of everywhere becomes alive. And you know, it's a time of actually rest.
Tourism in Goa too has seen a surge in the tourists even in the monsoon season. From just 3% to a whopping 30% in just a matter of 3 years. Interestingly, the government is not only giving rebates but also rafting and other water sports to promote tourism round the year.
Basically, in monsoon, I'll tell you, हमारा hinterland जो एरियाज है, hinterland में बहुत सारा दबदबा, जो वाटरफॉल्स हम लोग बोलते हैं, वाटरफॉल्स भी इधर बहुत सारे होते हैं. इसके एंजॉय करने के लिए बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं. उसके साथ ही साथ हम लोग वाइट वाटर राफ्टिंग जो है, वाइट वाटर राफ्टिंग हम लोग चालू किया है अभी 2 साल पहले से. वो मजा लेने के लिए भी आते हैं.
Tourists are not only enjoying the downpour but also the beaches, making each moment memorable.
I quote the lines of a famous poem. When often on the couch I lie in vacant or in pensive mood, I glance upon the rainy sky. That perhaps might be my terms, but one thing is for sure, that Goa gives you an ecstatic feeling. And not just on the rocks, by the rocks, but sometimes also for the rocks.
Goa's monsoon has its own rhythm. From basic guitar to drums, there's a speciality in almost every string and every percussion, especially this rainy season.
Goa is all about the greenery and everything that comes along with it. It's just a sense of calmness. And what happens in the monsoons, it brings out the best in us musicians, because listening to the pitter-patter of the raindrops, and it just brings out the best on stage. It's cooler, the weather's great to perform, and so monsoons with music couldn't get any better.
There is a lovely song called, listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Whether it comes down just a trinkle, whether it's a heavy shower, the thunder, the lightning, everything has rhythm in it. So music in the monsoons in Goa is very special just because of that, because all types of rhythms come out there. And I'm sure with you, Manogya, it's going to be even special.
It is also about football, and trust me, this is a game that they play in every season.
Kolkata is the football capital of India, then Goa is not far behind. Goans love the beautiful game and their passion is unparalleled. In every corner, every street of Goa, you'll find kids trying to emulate the likes of Ronaldo, Messi and Zinedine.
This is the time that people, we love to get on the fields and get the sliding tackles on the opponents, and this is the beautiful weather to play as well compared to the weather you have in the month of May. So we being Goans, we love football.
We like playing in the rain, and playing in the monsoon gives it another kick. It gives us more encouragement. We like playing in the monsoon.
We play football, we celebrate football in the monsoons, and now after all it's Euro season, so we all guys support Portugal, and in the Copa America we support Brazil. Now we're just gonna watch them play and just cheer them.
Football and monsoons are synonymous with each other here in Goa. I think during the monsoon season, in every nook and corner of Goa, you would find schoolboys or young aspiring players, flocking to the football ground, having a good, nice game of football. And I think the fun element for them is the fact that it rains.
It was back in 1883 when Father William gave Goa its first glimpse of football. Since then, the popularity has only peaked. The football-crazy state also has a team in the Indian Super League, and whenever FC Goa plays, the entire state unites to cheer and celebrate.
For the FC Goa wave! Forza Goa! Forza Goa! Forza Goa! Forza Goa!
For every football lover, monsoon is the best time to play and enjoy the game. The drops of rain and a football at your feet. Ask any football fan, is there a better feeling?
If the country woos for cricket, Goa woos for football, and nothing more than playing in the sun, rain and of course a game of football. And when it comes to international football, trust me, Goa woos and cheers for Portugal. In case Portugal loses, it's England, but they believe Portugal is going to win this year.
We now travel to one of the local churches to be a part of the prayers which are already in session. It's the faith that too remains undeterred even in the monsoon, with everyone walking to church daring the rain.
Goa has a reflection of Portuguese culture in almost everything, from roads to establishments to even the churches. Precisely, the mass prayer held every week, rather on every Sunday, is not missed by the locals despite rain or heat. And precisely that's the reason why even monsoon cannot stop the prayer sessions.
Think Goa and you think of its glorious beaches. But Taste of Goa is not complete without its lip-smacking cuisine. The food in Goa is a blend of Portuguese, Indian and Parsi flavors. But it is the seafood that is most popular here. Fish, prawns, lobsters, calamari, Goa seafood will leave you asking for more. And during the monsoon, the seafood tastes even better. Whether it's the ubiquitous Goan prawn curry or the traditional Goan fish curry, you can't be in Goa and not indulge your taste buds.
Goa is all about food, and when it comes to monsoon season, well, there could be nothing more on platter than fish, prawn and of course a variety of some of the lady fingers as well as obrogan. What is more interesting is that it's not just about the taste and the spices, but also the yumminess and the weather too.
One of the most popular Goan dishes is fish rashad. Rashad means stuffed in Portuguese, and this dish is stuffed with local coastal spices and is full of flavor. Fish rashad usually comprises of a pomfret fish coated with hot and tangy spices. Rice, seafood, coconut and spices are traditional Goan staples and are used in dishes like chicken zakuti, chicken kafrial, chicken sorpotel and pork vindaloo.
Crab and murdashi, it's a local fish, and the prawns, it's a catch of the season, catch of the day. And this is vendi fry, and this is stuffed brinjal, and this is veg zakuti. This is three dishes of veg which we eat, which is specially done for monsoon time.
It's not just food. You can't be in Goa and not enjoy sipping fresh coconut water. There's a bumper coconut crop in Goa, but it's not just coconut water. Coconut oil too is used in plenty. In early June, after the sweltering summer heat, the monsoon gives Goa the first signal of its imminent arrival. Ominous grey clouds gather over the horizon, the blue skies disappear and the thunder rumbles in the distance, sounding like a typical Goan drum beat. The drums, when played on the cruise in River Mandvi, is nothing less than ecstatic. If we were travelling everywhere during day, we chose to take a night out here, and here's what we found on the dance floor.
We are from Pune and we are here for enjoying the monsoon of Goa, and we are feeling very happy with this monsoon.
The cruise runs houseful even in the monsoon, with nature lovers thronging the state. Monsoon music is also a major attraction.
In monsoon, it's like having fun in rains. people all the way from the world, like they come to have fun in Goa. And the best part over here on working on our cruise, like get the tourists come over here is like we like perform with 3 cultural dances, like on 2 of the Goan dances, 1 Portuguese dance, and then I perform myself. I'm a DJ working over here, most of the Bollywood music. So this is how we make people enjoy, they have fun.
After I tried out a few Mohiniyattam steps in Kerala, it is time now to shake a foot on the most famous Goan song.
Well, on the seashore, Goa is perhaps one state which enjoys all year round. It doesn't need a reason to celebrate. And that's the reason why the discotheques here are always full, be it on a cruise or be it just on the land. Perhaps that's what makes Goa so special and so different. With camera person Amit Kumar, this is Manoj Loriwal in Goa for India Today. The drizzle is just the beginning of the monsoon, and this is to let you know that we enjoyed our stay in monsoon in Goa. If it is known for 365 days, 24/7 celebration, well, it is absolutely to the mark, and it has met its expectation this time too. So keep watching Monsoon with Manogya, and our next episode would be from Amchi, Mumbai. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to India Today.